Hello my friends, Jim here. It is June 2023 and I am in North Carolina, and it is T-minus 8 months before I visit my Filipino daughter and her family in Guiuan, Eastern Samar Philippines. And I would like to introduce you to Guiuan. Guys, I'm not going to give you a detailed history of Guiuan, such as the Magellan expedition that brought Spanish customs and Christianity to the native population, nor the Japanese invasion and subsequent American occupation with a later Philippine independence. This is about the people of Guiuan and the resilience toward the aftermath of the catastrophic super typhoon Yolanda that hit the island only 10 years ago. 2 years before my daughter Kathy found me. Guiuan was ground zero when Yolanda hit, and my daughter Kathy and her family was in the center of it. Her husband Mark at the time was working overseas as a merchant marine, saving money for his family's future, only to find out about the devastation with no way to confirm their well-being. Yolanda devastated the town, ripping their beautiful tropical paradise to shreds. Thousands died. All were displaced. The destruction was complete. Today, I'm simply amazed at what transpired these past 10 years. They rebuilt Guiuan into an even greater township. Their boats once again hit the seas to rebuild the fishing trade they are known for, and their people with heads raised high once again made Guiuan, the bustling fishing town, even better today. Mark came home, vowing to never leave his family again, and started his fishing business as he rebuilt his family home. As I arrive there next year, I am anxious, just anxious to meet these resilient people of Guiuan and live amongst them. There is much they can teach me about the resilience and determination to bravely face the future and make a better life for themselves and their families. After all, for the Filipinos, it's all about family.